Hey friends, welcome back to our tutorials. We are learning how to build autonomous AI agents. In today's episode, I'm going to use Langchain, Groq, which will be our AI processor or the AI model. That's what we'll be using. It's free and open source for developers, so they give good credits. That's what I've used. And we will push the data to Slack. That's an amazing agent that can do all of this on its own. Let's get started with demo. Before I show you the demo, if you find value in this demo, smash that like button. Have doubts, comment, want to learn, subscribe, want one-on-one consulting or training, email me. Let's start with the demo. Let me bring up the editor. So this is what we'll be doing. Now, let me ignore this here and close everything else so that you don't see. All right, so what we are doing, it's a configuration driven, which means everything can be controlled by just true or false. So we can work with any number of applications. This agent can work with all of this. So far, my my mission is to add 50 plus applications right here. But today I'm showing you Slack. So I have enabled it. All right, and Slack is true. We'll be using Groq, which is our AI processor or the AI brain. And it will be using Llama model, which is again an open source one that I'm running 3.370 bill. All right, that's the one. Now for the Slack part, we have used under integrations. I'm creating for each of this application. I have the Slack client, which takes the data, everything, create that data, whatever is coming from Groq, and then we'll push it. Let's go ahead and do the demo. So bring up the application. You just have to say UVCon. Okay, UVCon dynamic app -- reload, which is the name of my file, dynamic, and let's start it. It will take 10 seconds. You can hit the like button in the meanwhile. Once the server starts, I'm using fast API for the backend. So our application is up and running. Let's go to the endpoint and load it. This is the Swagger documentation that you get. Now, what we are doing, what is the use case that we are attempting with respect to our Slack. So if you see here, this takes an endpoint and can also push it to Trello, Todoist, and much more. Okay, so the endpoint is /research. So let's go to research. It will ask us for an entity that we are about to search. You can use this for competitor analysis, market intelligence, and much more. So let's say we want to have something about Anthropic. That's in hot news right now. So let's go ahead and do Anthropic and hit execute. I'm going to keep my Slack channel open and you should see a new message coming in. Okay, so it says today we got the data from Anthropic about the market intelligence, executive intelligence audit report. It gives you competitor details of OpenAI, Google Gemini, and much more. It is all coming directly from real-time search plus Groq's AI model. Now let me show you one more demo. And let's say now we want to search about OpenAI and hit execute. Go back to our Slack channel and you would see a new message which will come in. The sound we want to hear is ting. That means now see that the new report has come in at 12:27 and that is what is the time right now. It is bringing you the executive intelligence audit report for OpenAI and it's giving you all the details. Excellent agent that we can build on top of Langchain. I hope you enjoy this demo. I want to give all of this code to all of you for free. So please like, comment, and tell me you want this code. I'll make it available in GitHub Repo for you. In the meanwhile, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more AI agents demo built on Langchain. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.